I first met you at the Long Beach to Catalina race in 2014.
Yeah,
You were
that
on
was a
a
good one.
white RXPX, and and I think you've always had the same number 153, right?
Yep, yep.
Okay. Does that have any significance, or is that just a number that you fell into?
No, 153 was my first aircraft in the Army, so I just kind of transitioned it over, and
Very cool.
but now I changed it to 22 for the Kill 22 nonprofit program for the 22 veterans that like die each day. So
Great.
that's what. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that. All right. Guy, how did I not know? That must have been recent then. Was that
Uh,
within the last year?
yeah, I changed the number. I think it was, yeah. Well, this year
Okay.
I changed the number. So
All right.
soon as
I'm like, I
Michelle,
swear I pay attention, so I was nervous that I totally spaced on that.
no. Michelle at Petra just allowed us to change our numbers that we could pick something under 30. So that
Okay.
was I've been gunning for that number for a while.
Good. All right. Very cool. All right. So going back to it, what made you go, all right, I'm doing long distance endurance? I mean, close course is one thing, and, and Florida has a lot of close course racing. But for you to go, I'm going to try this stupid offshore California race right out of the
Uh,
gate. Really, that wasn't. That
yeah,
takes some stones, man. That was pretty cool.
yeah. I met Ronnie Mack
Okay.
while I doing a Never Quit challenge ride, and he's the one that told me about the race in Long Beach to Catalina.
All right.
So as soon as he told me, that's really all I knew at first about PWC racing is the Long Beach to Catalina. So I had to try it,
Okay.
and yeah, it was an eye opener. And from there, it's pretty much history. I just got the bug and started hunting for races.
Very cool. Very cool. Um, I think the guy who made the introduction, if you don't mind me saying so, was a gentleman named Mark Gerner. And I don't know
Yes,
if you remember Mark. All right.
I sure do. I sure
Yeah.
do.
And Mark was the guy who really held my feet to the fire when it came to offshore racing, and really asked more of me. And and you don't want to disappoint Mark. That's the problem is. And
Yeah.
so I was like, oh man, it's like, all right, I gotta try harder. Um,
Well, he's a
but
typical Marine for sure, an
I
officer.
know.
So he knew his stuff.
It was him and Tom Arnold. Remember Tom Arnold? Did you ever
Yes,
meet him? The
yes,
guy,
yes.
he had a neck like this, and
Yep, yep.
geez, and they're like, Kevin, we're going out. I'm like, when? It's like tomorrow. I'm like, what time? They're like, you got to be at the launch ramp at 5. I'm like, why 5? Like, why?
Why not?
Yeah, I know. So but there's a reason I was in the best shape of my life when I was riding with those guys. They demanded it of you. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.